Hello all, I am Bishwadeep and this is day 21 and welcome to my 100-day AI journey. So today I'm going to talk about the whole recap of this 20 days, what I've done and what are the products that I've built and what are the new AI features or the new product AI products are coming up. I always feel that as if something is missing out. I'm missing on something because each or or an every hour something is happening on AI. Maybe on the big companies, maybe recently the Meta has fired 8,000 employees, and there are so many use cases out there. But at the same time, the different big companies or someone or the other are building some of the best features or the best product for everyone, that I feel that something is missing out. I need to catch those everything. It's like I'm going with that FOMO, fear of missing out something. So by that time what I'm speaking, yesterday the Google has launched new features. So let me just talk about those features which have been released by Google, and these are an awesome features. You can check it out. So let me Google. Okay, this is the new era of Google. So you know this Google, then OpenAI, Claude, or the Anthropic, they're like they're currently in a bull race. Like who will be going one after another? Who will come first in achieving some of the greatest things that ever the world has received? So in this way, see, let me show you the Google I/O. Yes. So yesterday the Google I/O has launched many big features. I think it will currently in compete with Claude Code, with the anti-gravity and the other things, and also for the codecs also. See, introducing Gemini Omni. It's the platform where you can build the create anything from any input and edit naturally using conversational language. So then the Gemini 3.5, it can start for give you the all the agentic workflows over there. Then the Gemini, and then the new input has been with the search engine also, and universal card where you can shop it. Then the most interesting feature, intelligent eyewear, is coming this fall. So they have showcased one of the most uh, great feature of this Google Google I/O. Uh, okay, where they have showcased that eyewear will be having, you can talk with this and you can ask that Gemini to move here from there or to locate you where you are. It can give you the overall direction. You can talk with the eyewear. It can take the screenshots, so or it can take the pictures also. So there are so many features have been embedded with this eyewear. Then the Google Workspace. So in the Google Workspace, it has combined all the Google workflows like Google Keep, then the Gmail, then Drive, and everything is been accumulated in one space. Then the AI products and also the Google Labs, where you can create. I think Google Labs, you are aware that the Google Flow was having to create the videos from frame to frame, or to create, or to there you can put the ingredients like from text to video or from image to video. So there are different elements over there, but instead of that they have added some more features like the Google Omni features and also the Google agentic feature, where you just prompt and it gives you the best output. So there are no hesitation or lag in getting the outputs from there. Then also the Google developer tools and the anti-gravity one, where you can find the Google DeepMind also, simulate real world places with the Project Genie and Street View. Then everything new in our Google AI subscriptions, fresh from IO 2026. So there are so many things where you can work it on, and even they have recommended this multi-agent AI partner to accelerate research, and also they have uh, implemented the weather next AI helped, I think the Jamaica or the Nigeria, where they have predicted long before about the weather forecast, and it had predicted the hurricane Melissa's historic landfall in Jamaica. So these are some of the most exciting features that has been launched by Google I/O. And also let me tell you the that products that I built within this last 20 days. So these are the things: AI tools for content creators, where you can just cross connect with the tools and you can find out for your writing, for your script generations, or for video editing, or for your uh, video, or for your reels, how you can connect and what are the tools required for those. So this has all been aligned for the this product has been aligned for all the content creators. So let me just give you again the precap of this thing. Say that's how whenever you click on this Perplexity AI, it will give you the overall descriptions and the simple prompt that has been used, the Claude, the again the you can just put the prompts over here, and the connected tools, the ChatGPT, Jasper, Grammarly, Notion AI. So these are the different tools that has been connected, and for what purpose these are also being mentioned over here. Say for writing, these are the tools aligned. Then for the video purpose, these are the tools that has been uh, that provide the good output for the video, than for the image or for the workflow. So there are different other different AI tools which has been aligned with your uh, yes, with your creativity. Yeah, now coming on to this another tool that I have built for the overall uh, yes, overall travelers, where you can just drop a pin and you can inform the other tourists that you have been there, and you can inform them about this scam alert, real price, hidden gems, the local food, the normal spot, and the safety note. So you can list all the things down by just dropping a pin. So let me just show you once again how you can drop a pin over here. See, select a place. Say I am choosing Libya. Okay, click in this place. Say there is a good local food. Automatically whenever you are dropping a pin, the location will be prompt up, and the short title, there is a good restaurant out there, what happened, best noodles in the town, and the price is say 200. Okay, pin it, goes live instantly. See, whenever you have just added the direction, and if it had been added, so you can, if say you are into Libya and you are going around this place, and you find this helpful, that this pin is really helpful for you, and you are getting the exact location whatever this person mentioned, so you can just click it as an helpful. So the other person who are also following this location can find this unhelpful and put over, and give the helpful signature also. And if they don't like, they can click on this and give it as a flag. So once it has received like 3 or 4 flags at a time, then automatically this pin will be removed, maybe it is a scam. Fine. So that is how I have worked on till day 20, and I hope that from the upcoming days I will start building on the automations, then the workflows, and also on the some of the ad creativities that what I can perform on. So I hope that maybe I'll not be focusing on the more on the FOMO thing. I'll be more focusing, because as the days will be approaching, the AI will be coming much more on the bigger side, and everything will be automated. So how to grasp this AI, the LLMs, and to know the interior things, that how everything works and for what purpose, that is the main concept that what we'll be looking for. So by then, thank you everyone.